Ну, короче, шибанули они лося. Я не видел. Сейчас посмотрим. Говорят, что много там их. Но они, конечно, стоять не будут, лоси. А тем не менее. Whitetail was just right here on the corner. Just right here.
See what that log was?
Yeah.
Just the other side of it. And I mean, when we go back to see his tracks.
Like 20 yards, eh?
Yeah. Because if Bart hadn't been yelling like a fucking idiot, he'd have just walked out and I'd have shot him. And then we'd have a deer and a moose to skin.
Not bad for Toyota, eh? Not bad for Toyota. Goes smoothly, eh?
I can make it go rougher if you want.
No, thank you. Thank you. I'm okay.
I could even do it better if I had better tires. I could just idle it. This thing's pretty flat-footed, I think.
Looks like cow, eh?
Oh.
No?
Bull. Oh, fucking nice.
Yeah, fucking nice.
2-year-old.
Yeah, bull, yeah.
Little guy.
Вот они вот здесь отхерачили этого лося. Yeah.
Nice sized bull, Heinz?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. One shot down he went. But I
Wow.
shot him a little bit off. But the other one was running. I didn't know fucking fuck, man.
Yeah, that's the good one, eh?
Here, here. Hold on to that for me for a second. I want Darlene to know what I've done. Because she always gives me shit.
Hi. What? What?
Here, give me the rifle.
You get in the picture up.
Give me the rifle. The rifle's got to be in here, too. Here. Here, you. Somebody have a picture too.
Yeah.
Get a bowl. This is a special thing because you don't get these suckers that easy. Because they're smart.
I hold.
Okay. Here, I'll take this off. We'll get Rufus here. Can you take a picture of your dad? Oh yeah. Come here, Ice. Here, let's him take some pictures of us. I want a memory of you too. You know, you're a fucking good fucking.
Yeah, you give me phone number.
Yeah.
I call you.
Okay, now Ruby, you take picture of your dad.
Just a second.
I'm shaky. I'm nervous. My fucking hands are shaky. Here, give your dad a picture. Yeah, well, and then send one to Darlene, and then I'll be happy. Just give her a couple of pictures sent to her.
Are you happy or not?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Make sure I got no shells. I'm gonna take these fucking shells out of here. I don't need no fucking bullets now. Get the fuck out of the way, bud. Rifle's gotta be on this, Tommy. Get the fuck out of the way, bud. Get the fuck, get the fuck, get away. Hey, it's a good day. Here, now I get one here with my shirt here. I should have nailed that other one, but fuck, we'll do one at a time. Fuck. Where's my camera?
What?
Right here.
Why?
Why not?
Because last time you touched it, you fucked it up. That's a nice size. Huh?
What's the right size?
3-year-old, 3.5-year-old.
Yeah, good meat.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a picture with my shirt. I put it in a
Wow.
magazine.
What magazine?
4 moose, 2 fucking days.
Well, if you think you can do it better than me, you gotta do it without me. I fucking do work and I enjoy my hunting. I don't get pushed any which way or how, but
Okay, we got
enjoy
deep
the
freezes
fucking
to fill. Yours is full.
Mine is empty. I don't
there.
have one. Oh, this one. Okay.
That looks like a full deep
Okay.
freeze from where I'm standing.
All right, then I'll fucking get one tonight. Just let's get this thing gutted and loaded and let's go out and get another one.
Yeah.
There's lots in here. They're all in this fucking area in here. They're feeding in here and feeding in here and they're just moving. This clearing is a fucking place. They got beds all the way along in here. A whole bunch of them in there.
Yeah.
But I found them. It takes a while to find them. Once you find them, they're dead.
Yep.
You can't shoot at a fucking ghost. Nice, eh?
Yep.
Nice animal.
Nice size.
Hey. Now, I would want to show what? And then we'll start slaughtering. Water. Gotta lose the lid and everything, eh? What's that? Oh, my water. Oh, no more water? Yeah. That's okay. We'll wash it. That's awesome. I'm enjoying my...
Ay, 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 caramba.
You wanted to shoot one?
Yeah, now it's you guys. I'll chase you guys out. Now I'm done. Except for you guys can shoot me on mule doe if you see him.
Okay.
Don't get her. Get him dead. Take this fucking heavy work.
All I seen is white tail. So far.
Well,
They're everywhere.
if you go over by Snipe Lake there, fucking piles of mules. One field.
Where? By Snipe Lake.
Down that one road. We should take you over there. Well, we will when we get.
Not to worry.
That whole fucking side, I bet, and they were all female muleys, and there were so many of them. There was horns on the female mules. They're just spikes. Horns on females, but they're all females, and there were like fucking 100, 110 of them all in a row on both sides of the fucking road. I couldn't believe it. My dad wouldn't let me shoot them. I said, fuck Dad, we can just throw them. No, you have your license with you and whatever. So finally I went back there. That was Ruby, you shot that fucking animal over there. That's where I was talking. And it was Snipe Lake where those muleys were. There's a fucking pile in there, man. But they're all fucking females. Horns on females. I mean, fuck, who knows? There's so many of them. Maybe they got balls on the pussy too. Okay, take these guns away. I don't need them. I need my knives. Well, oh, fuck. Awesome. Hey, we do it again and again and again. Once is never enough.
Did you see my fucking hat? No? White.
I'm just gonna grab this and I'll have a puff and then I'll get at her.
Find it first.
Yeah, that was
Oh, looks like I lost it, eh?
this is a place to shoot them, eh? Right in the open like this.
Huh?
Don't fuck around.
I'll check it out.
Don't fuck around, no fucking down, no fucking around, no fucking down. Hey, these are all knives, so anybody wants to use this shit, picker fucker. Picker fucker. My best knife, the fucker's lost of all fucking things. I always have my own special knife.
I give you knife. You want a good knife?
No, I'm good. I got good knives. It's just that my favorite one is missing. I got tons of knives. Is that I want them. I'm just waiting for a joint. I'm not gonna.
I gotta find it first.
Well, I got patience. My daughter's got patience. She's a doctor. I'm not.
On the inside of the leg, right?
Huh?
To the inside, right?
Yeah, right down to the brisket. You've seen it done before, buddy. I'm proud of you guys. Get her out of her. You gotta get at her.
Caramba.
Send Darlene a picture. I understand why her kids are gonna be eating their treats.
Шапка моя куда-то делась. А я без шапки не люблю. Падла. Вот она. Да, будем смотреть, как лося делают. Yeah.
I fucking should have nailed that other one. Fucking cunt wouldn't fucking smile at me though.
So why you didn't?
Well, I just when I was gonna pull the trigger, she fucking got out of my sights, and then he showed. I watching it. I couldn't get a good shot at him at first, and then I peeked through the fan, and then I could see him. Bang, down he went. My gun shooting a touch off, shooting a little bit to the right. I think those guys fucking around. Could you hold this leg up?
Sure.
Hold the leg up since I can't hold it up. My hernia is hurting. There, good enough. That's all I need. That's what I need. Somebody else to help me. Take. We'll get another one. They're fucking feeding in here really good, man. Well, that's a nice animal, eh?
Yeah.
Fucking beautiful. It tastes good, this fucker. We'll make fucking sausages and whatever.
Not the biggest one though, eh?
No, not the biggest. No, I don't want the big ones.
Yeah, they're too old.
Well, yeah, they're tough, but they breed 60 cows.
Yeah.
And these guys will only breed about fucking a dozen, maybe 15 cows. So when you got a dry cow, that's because you killed all the old bulls and all the cows. Usually the big bulls take most of the cows and these little guys take the rest.
Yeah,
and they're all full. You got cows and cows. You don't have no dry cows. But when you take all the big bulls, then there's nobody to breed all the cows. And a cow moose is different than a beef. If a cow moose doesn't have a calf in 2 years, she becomes like celibate, or I mean, they can't have them.
Oh yeah?
So that's why they become dry, because they haven't been bred every year. They've got to be bred every year. If they're not bred for 2 years, they become dry. That means they won't have any babies. That's why the Indians like to shoot dry cows, because they're tender, they didn't have any babies. But the biggest thing is they ain't gonna have any babies, because they're done. Because the fucking assholes that want the big horns, not the meat. I want the meat. I don't give a fuck about the horns.
We can have our own currency. We are still married.
This one here is a little dull, this fucker.
Here.
It's okay.
I gotta get this other one. Where's my other one? I suppose my other knife's on the back. It's on the back of the truck. Hey Bart,
Huh?
want to bring my knife off the tailgate? Oh, Russell's got it. Fucking right.
Bart, I gave you the knife, okay? That's bullshit, not knife. I give you knife.
No.
Yeah. Trust me. Huh?
Not off
knives, and I don't want any of mine lost neither.
Yeah.
See, there's too many fucking people fucking around now.
Yeah.
Things get lost.
Don't steal, nothing get lost, eh?
No, but all I'm saying is, so one guy, there's 3 knives, one guy picks it up and then he puts it down and he forgets it. And then he steps on it, it's under the snow, the knife is gone.
I will
One
never
guy-
forget my
one
knife.
guy with a knife, that's it.
Okay.
That's the way it should be.
Okay, I said, okay, okay. I give knife to the guy, you know.
He has plenty of knives. We have plenty.
He got, shit.
No, unorganized crime. Unorganized crime.
Take German knife. It never get dough.
Hey,
Yeah.
good German knife here.
Yep.
This is, oh, this is an oldie.
Yep.
Not bad at all. I guess you're right.
I always right, eh?
That's what I say when you're right. I always think I'm right, but that's just because I'm German. I think I'm always right. Here, hold that up for me. I mean, the guy. Here, I'm excited. I'm having fun. Hey, this is a lot.
So,
Huh?
how is knife?
Huh?
How is the knife?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. I must admit I was wrong about you. You know your fucking knives. You definitely do. This is actually a Swedish steel.
No.
No, German? German.
Finlandia.
Do I go to the other leg now once I get it straight down?
German steel's some of the is the best, eh? German steel.
That's made in Finlandia. even better.
What?
It's made in Finlandia.
Where's
Finlandia.
Oh,
Finland.
yeah. Finland nice fish. Okay, now we'll put this down. Here, don't take that down too far. That's good. Now let's flip him over on his back. Here, just let's cut him around here while his head's done. Big bastard, you're dying. You're dying.
I have news for you. He's dead.
You don't have a steel, eh?
No, I don't need one.
You want to cut that head off now?
Yeah. Could you
Or do
give
you
me
wanna
that
use
big
it-
machete? That big machete. This ain't heavy enough. My wrists are sore, eh? Because I've been
What do you want to do?
cut his head off. But just give me a fucking.
Where's
It's
that?
nice day out. Let's just take it easy a bit. I'm waiting for the joint. Is what. Oh, whose is this?
My dad, is that what you wanted?
Oh, yeah. No, mine.
Where is it?
But this is fine.
That's what's good. It's good and sharp. Don't worry about it.
It's all right. I just fucking that little knife ain't gonna go through all his hide. That's all. Here, just a minute. Let me cut the hide first, son. Yeah, just cut it right around here, all the way down. Cut the meat, and then his neck bones there, and then you just cut his head. But just cut the meat around, and I should leave his head so I got when we flip it. We weren't gonna cut it right off. We'll cut it off after I cut all the rest.
Half off?
Yeah, no, that's good. Now, here, no, just put the knives down here.
And we'll pull him over.
I gotta put something where I can set the fucking knives on.
Put them on this thing.
Just set it over here out of the way here. Just set it right here. You don't have to run back and forth to the fucking truck. Not that I care. Now, here, just a minute here. Grab the other side of the horn and flip his head up like this. Okay, now grab this leg and that leg and pull it over. There we go. Now you set him on his back. Oh, you big ugly prick. But you good. He's good. There. Now, just let him. You like your knife, fucking no water to wash it. Yeah, the dirt and the stone is.
So what happened to No, don't sharpen it. It's sharp enough.
You don't know how fucking tough moose hides are, do you?
It's not that fucking $3 knife you're used to using.
Take our time. We're having fun. I can't do anything until we get a joint in me.
It's on its way, I'm thinking.
Okay, now I'm going to take this here. Just hold that up there. Okay, it's all right. That's good. Don't fight too hard. Don't make yourself overwork. He's laying on his back now. He's like a horse saying, "Fuck me! Fuck me right now!" I'll deal with that. It's okay. Just hold on to the legs for me. Okay. The reason why I take this down a bit because I kept my hands. I fucked them up. I slipped my hand open. I don't have the grip I had before. So, got the joint?
Yeah.
Let's get at her.
What?
Ah, fuck yeah. And then but here, if you want, you do the same thing you did to this. Cut it all the way down that there, all the way through. Just another line. Oh, fucking right on. We got one down anyway. We'll get another one easy. But if a guy comes out here early in the morning, just walk through here slowly. They're feeding and they're laying all over in there. Fuck, that other one was a nice animal too. See, these eat really good. They eat all the red willow good. They're in a swamp.
No.
Check that gut hook
Oh, holy fuck, that fucking lit in the tree. Oh, you want to make sure you don't stick your leg or anything on that. I remember when we were hunting on the other side, we could knock a bunch of moose down and I fucking got them. I stuck my fucking knife right through the fucking thing into my leg.
gut hook. Got a plastic thing on
Yeah, but that's no good for moose because the hide's too tough.
I think it was only good for the one.
It's only made for deer. No, it's made for deer. Deer hide's easy to split. This stuff here, you need a knife. There's no
Where'd you put
fucking
my
good.
buck?
Give me the gut hook.
Pardon me?
Where'd you put my buck?
I don't know.
No,
Bleed's dull
the
already, eh?
my red-handled one, the one that was on him. Remember?
Russell took it over and put it on the tailgate, I think.
Nope.
It isn't on there?
He fell in the fucking snow, maybe.
If it's in the snow, it's over there where he was laying.
See, that's
Damn
what I
it.
mean about.
We'll find the fucking.
Better.
Ah. Oh, that little one.
Yeah.
I set it on the.
Okay. Good.
In the dash.
Oh, he's a draining.
You mean this little one?
That's the one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't
I
lose
set
it.
it on the dash.
Oh, okay.
I didn't lose it. It's your
Otherwise,
knife.
I get excited.
No, I'm trying to. I'm excited.
Okay.
I gotta just
Give it to me.
relax.
Yeah.
Calm down. Don't have a heart attack. Nice fucking guy. Eh? He wants to.
He's doing what?
Yeah, one guy with the knife. You are with the knife. Go ahead.
No.
Yeah.
If I'm going to use this thing, I'm going to have a whole bunch of blades.
I'll do this in pleasure.
Oh, she's dull.
Yeah. Do you need a knife? The real knife?
Yeah, I need real knife.
Yeah. There it is.
Mine's right over there.
One?
My knife with me. Don't want to lose it. I lost one from my boat, eh? I just dropped it into the... Yeah, nah. Блядь, татарин противный.
Well, hell, Jesus, guys. We got one anyway. We'll have to get about 3 more, mate. Look at it. We've got to fucking work at it. That's all. and I'm going to take this tiny.
This way or which way? They usually come through here.
Oh, you're a pretty little fucker. I'm gonna just relax.
So that's the nose, eh?
Yeah.
Indian city.
Yeah, it's good. You trim it off, eh?
Любимая еда индейцев.
They eat moose tote and tongue.
Yeah, I eat it too.
Yeah.
Everybody eats
I
tongue.
do this all to Darlene. She wants it all.
Yeah.
There's I fucking hunted so many fucking moose where this is the first one time I got to shoot and I was chasing all the time. I'm happy. This is the first day I got a chance to use my gun and down a gun. I'm happy. Ah, but oh, forget about the happiness right now.
Darryl, get the knife. Yeah.
Yeah, Rufus had a great idea of fucking having water with us.
Yeah, I forgot I had it. So.
Unfortunately, the water didn't come with us. It just
Well.
spilled all over.
Oh well, I'm
I
stupid.
should have chased him to the highway, I guess.
Yeah, shoulda,
I should have chased him.
shoulda, woulda.
And I'll never forget that fucking moose I chased. I started over here, we chased him fucking, I wounded the cocksucker. So I wanted to make sure that I was going to kill the fucker. Chased him in the open, we chased him right almost to high prairie. And it come back, it wouldn't cross the highway, and it would come back and it crossed by the stampede grounds. And went into the swamp behind on the west of High Prairie, eh?
Blasted.
Yeah. I went right to the fucking lagoons from High Prairie Lagoons. I chased him right out. Finally, I said, fuck you can keep living. I'm not chasing you no more. But I could have shot him. Here, Ruth, let me get this here stretch down here, eh? Here. Yeah, I could have.
Shoulda.
I could have got him a couple times, but it was in open fields and farmers, and farmers can be dinks.
No.
Oh, there, you just, you got it almost.
Well, it's almost all the way.
Okay, here, I'll just watch your hands. I don't like too many knives and too many hands. I don't want to cut anybody. Just let me get this through, and then you can skin them out. Skin, like, so you, there, now I'm going to skin this all down, eh?
Yes.
I just so you can grab a hold of it. You know what you're doing.
No, I don't.
I don't think you're a fucking liar. You're lying to me, buddy. You're lying to me. I know what's a donst. Okay. Blood out. It's the blood starts. Okay, I'm going to start on the back end side. We're not working with or close to each other, okay? It's a lot safer if we ain't fucking close to each other. I get excited when I am on a moose.
Still warm, eh?
Huh?
It's still warm.
Oh yeah, she'll stay warm for a while, but you know what? If it's cold and you don't take the guts out right away, it'll rot inside out. That's why you got to open them up. If you don't open them up, the meat will rot. You leave them guts in there longer than 2 hours when it's really cold outside. It's so hot inside the moose. If you don't take it out right away, it'll literally rot on you. And fucking will taste like shit. You don't want to eat shit. Where's that little nice knife of yours there?
Yeah, there it is.
I like that little knife. This one here is too flimsy. It's good for some things. The blade ain't thick enough. Eh?
Don't sharpen it.
No, I never, well, did you see me sharpening it yet? Well, now you told me not to, so I won't.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me things before I understand. I'm not just normal, you know, I've been sane. You don't tell a fucking sane person. Okay. Whoop shoot. Brian, would you step back and hold on the end of it away from me so I got room so I don't want to stick you in the fucking leg with a knife.
I'm not keen on that idea either. You know what I mean, Brian?
I didn't think you would be there, Brian. I think if I had a good steel, man. I miss my steels and I keep fucking letting them out and I end up losing them. And A good one's worth about $80, man. And you can pick some up at the garage sales in the city and stuff. They don't have a fucking clue what they are. They still buy them for $5 or something, or 10.
Yeah, that's what I did. That knife cost me like $10 or something.
Yeah, well, it's worth a hell of a lot more. The steel is Swedish or German. Englishmen make good too. I'm not.
No, English not the same.
Yeah, there's certain. That's a hard steel, eh? Nice.
English, Japanese, I don't like
but
them.
you understand?
Irish is good.
Moose hide's very, very tough, eh? So they dull in the knives real good. That's why you should have a steel and just swish, swish, swish. You know? It's okay, it's all good. Because la 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 la. Now, detach the bulge. You don't want me to touch this knife if you get one of my other ones. I think the thing will, we'll see. That fucking tip ain't no good. Unless I sharpen that tip, it's no fucking good.
That's when I'm done here. You can
Yeah. It needs to be sharpened. This is the tip I need to sharpen, not the rest of the blade. Just the tip.
Tip is, yeah.
This thing's too flimsy. I got another knife. See, as I say, I lend my fucking knives out and I don't get them back. I don't like it.
You let it fly. Let it fly.
I gotta grab the fucking buggy with this fucking shit. A shot of beer. Beer, beer. A man's gotta have his beer.
Oh, she's getting off. Oh yeah, you just have your stone, no steel.
No, I don't have my steel because everybody steals them on me.
Steel's a steel?
The steels get stolen.
Try that buck.
Everybody wants them.
Yeah.
Well, usually what happens is they bore them and I'm half cut, so I fucking take them out to do
try it
fish
out.
or something. And next time I know it, I don't have it anymore. And I can't afford to spend fucking 80 bucks on a steel every fucking time I fucking go out with people. No respect. Or I should just quit drinking it, I guess. That could help too.
Nah.
You're so romantic, eh?
Hmm?
Romantic.
What?
Stop drinking, eh? You stop drinking.
I'm thinking
Stop smoking.
I'm thinking there's a couple other guys that should be doing
Yeah.
that too, at least one.
Well, I am
Now you got a reason to celebrate.
Yeah. I have nothing to celebrate.
Why?
Yeah, because I drink up everything yesterday.
You celebrated
Last night
too
I
much
celebrate
last
too
night.
much.
Oh, I wonder, I guess I gotta keep the balls on as a white man. I'm not a white man. I keep thinking I am. I should leave the sex on, I guess, as a white man. It's a white man tag. I should go abide by the fucking white man rules. Fuck. Oh well, anyway, we got no problems. I am a white man, ain't I? I don't know yet. That's Darlene. Hey, did you send that picture to her?
Not yet, no.
I wanted you to do that for me, bro.
We'll have to do that.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just a minute.
What? You don't talk to me anymore.
Why?
That's it?
Where'd you steal those gloves?
Yeah, it's mine.
Why, isn't it beautiful out here? This is where all them cocksuckers are laying, right in here and right in there. Right in here is where I shot, I don't know how many. On Thanksgiving Day, the 11th of 3 years in a row, I went out here, shot my bull. Consecutive, 3 years in a row. Always on Thanksgiving Day, right out here. One I shot a fucking long ways. I thought I fucking didn't goddamn hit it. I don't know if I got him. I don't think I got him though. When I finally went there, I had him. I dusted him. Good. Yeah, 3 years in a row. Thanksgiving Day, right back here. So when I die, Rufus, when I get my body cremated, I want my ashes thrown around here. This is the area I shoot most.
This would be the ash hole?
Huh?
This would be the ash hole?
This would be the ash hole.
There's ash hole.
Yeah.
Me, I'm an ash hole.
Put the ashes in the ash hole.
Okay, I gotta leave that hide intact. Take the balls
On
off.
the other side?
See, I cut so many up for native people, I don't think about the white man rule, eh? Because but now I gotta pretend I'm a white man. So I guess this is the way it is, eh? Yeah, I gotta. You have a plastic bag?
Yep. Up.
Fucking hell, don't have to do that. What the fuck should have wrong with ammonia? What's the problem there, mate? Look at the fingers are too fat, me.
Yeah.
You have to cut it off. Cut a corner off.
Well, I got Safeway bags. If you look on the seat of my truck, or on the dash, the thing in the console in the middle. This would be a bag laying right there.
Well, I'm gonna just gut them first, eh? Because how I gotta take more skin off down, or we'll have trouble.
Oh, yeah.
Очень грязно снимают шкуру. Мы так никогда не снимали.
You talking about me?
Yeah, I'm talking about it. I'm filming, eh?
It's gotta be attached to
For Russian stupid, eh?
Legally,
Stop it.
illegally your balls gotta be attached to meat. If they aren't attached to meat, I said, well, fuck, you got a head, you got a moose head,
So
what the
вот
fuck you need the balls where you fucking dumb
Шерсть
prick?
с мяса
Supposed to
очень
be
тяжело
educated.
убирать.
But they don't fuck.
Невозможно.
All by the book so you can spend more money on idiots.
Put it over your head
Yeah.
so they won't see you on the film.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck what cocksuckers. I don't know how long we'll get to the bastards anyway after all the years of my fun in the forest. There's one guy hates he don't like killing, so I
What?
say I'm playing in the forest. But his cats sure like me coming and playing in the forest. Right? There we go.
Yeah, just go further on the
Take
stomach.
that for- I'll tell Darlene that's an aphrodisiac. You can fucking eat that when I'm dead and you'll get horny and fuck the football team. I won't say that.
Yeah, you got
Not
half
that
of
I'm
me.
stressed, but I'm a very stressful guy. Shouldn't be. Good word should be. Nice word to me. You want to pull that from me? Thank you. Good man, I like it. Helps me. Two hands are always better than one. You just don't. Knives, when you get too many fucking knives in the same place, that's when you got a problem. Well, some guys are just used to working alone.
Go this way.
There's the balls, boys, the balls. Come on there, baby. Baby girl, I love you, baby girl, I love you, baby girl. Baby girl. Okay, now these fucking shoes, look at blew the whole fucking muckluck. I think I need new shoes.
No shit.
I blew a muckluck. No more muckluck for that one, eh? Ah, no more muckluck. Fucking hides are hard on this fucking thing. That's why they're gonna fucking live in the bush.
You just with a bullet one.
Imagine Sasquatch must have height like that if nobody's seen them and they live in the bush.
So you shoot him in the knee or neck?
I first shot, I was trying to get him up, but my gun's shooting a bit to the one side, because I've been letting people fuck with it. But I,
Sighted in sometimes.
no, it was dead on last time. It's been dead on for, or not dead on, it was shooting 1.5 inches high, but that was at 100 yards, and a bullet like that is going up, eh? That's like a 270. The 30-06 and 270 shoots flatter, but the odd 6 got more hitting power. But still, that fucking bullet going that fast, fuck. 270 is just fine. It's more a flat shooter. I'm gonna wash this all off anyway, so I'm not gonna worry too much. We'll keep motion it. I just want to just do this slowly, please. Anybody rushing me?
Russian? Did you hear anybody rushing that?
Well, I got a Russian here.
Yeah.
I think it's a Russian that's rushing me.
Yeah.
We should have had a bottle of schnapps. Nice. That's what me and Dad did. That's why I like this time of the year. This is when my dad and me connected. We went out in the bush and started a fire, cooked some fucking homemade kubasa and sausage. And then we had a chocolate bar. And he brought the bottle out and we had a shot, and then we went out there and shot. And, yeah, and 98% of the time we got her, but the rest of the time he had other ideas, like clearing brush flying, so he could drive down there without me. He was thinking about himself. No, Jeff, I'm just kidding. He was thinking about having fun. See, that you know when we cleared that tree?
It was a good thing.
Yeah. Hi. Yep. We did something good. We did something.
Yep.
It's kind of a aura.
I think so.
Okay, Mike. This is open. I'm just gonna go.
Holy fuck, eh?
Young man, I'm gonna take some of this side down, if you want. Maybe.
What the fuck is eyes are fucked up?
Head's fucked up. Brain's fucked up. That's how come my dad says all the women have to ride me on top because Bart can only fuck up and screw up. Look how all my women ride me on top. They only fuck up and screw up. Hey, we're gonna get a bunch of these suckers up.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them in here, man.
Pretty soon.
See, what I wanted to do, is check this in. They cross right in here and up in here. If I have a guy with a rifle there, one on this stretch and one on that line, fuck, you've got them. They're as good as dead, unless you can't, when they run out. Oh yeah, skin that. Try to keep it. Well, yeah, just shit, young man. You're doing great. I love a young man. You know what made me proud in hell? Mark went and made my own, the Burbank sausage everybody likes?
Yeah.
The German recipe? Well, Mark went and made it on his own with the Callahasans and everything. He moved all my meat, my sausage press, my grinder, all over there, and they all pitched in and made this sausage. It's not, there's a certain way of making it, but at least he tried, and it was good. Okay? Mind you, they never paid me for my casings or spices, but whatever. They did something, you know what I mean? They actually did something. You know what this is?
Yeah.
What? A handle, so you carry it.
Yeah.
Hey, so that's strong. We're hanging it. Maybe we're gonna hang it at Bev's. She's got a log door there, the dog.
Collar?
Yeah, I should.
Get it done now.
Well,
Unless we see another moose, we can throw it.
let's get its guts out first, okay? The guts is get it out first.
Just to hear.
Now,
Just keep going.
Yeah,
Here.
just keep skinning her out. Hold on. I'm gonna let you do that.
Грязно
As soon as
делают.
you skin that all out down,
Столько
then
мяса
we'll
уходит.
take the guts out, okay? And then we're gonna finish skinning.
Come here, knife there for a second, Bart.
Oh, here. Here I am. I'm gonna just take a little break. Nobody has a cigarette, do they?
No.
And Darlene.
Should I start?
No, no good for nothing. Sometimes take the smoke somewhere. Anyway, where is that meat so?
Hanging in the tree.
Oh.
I just try to get it as far as to the back as I can, eh? Yeah?
Yeah, go all the way down here, yeah. We'll, yeah, there. Got a little bit of meat there with us, good. That's all right.
Here, get this off this leg first.
You're kind of, yeah. Here, it's pull it over straight there. Wait, it's all that. Let me get it because it's kind of lopsided. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want to cut you, Bruce. For the last thing.
I can see you are a doctor too, eh?
Yeah, that's good. Roof. I gotta get the rest of this up here anyway. I just wanted to fucking open them up a bit until I get this up. But I don't want to do it until they're skinned down. So I'm able to break.
Okay, that's a good idea.
I don't want to cut them. We can wash this all down with cold water and hang it and fuck it'll be great. It's a good idea.
I forgot I had water in the bath. Well, I didn't chain it down or boom it.
I never drank the rest of that beer, did I?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I think we have one.
I don't know.
Go take that.
Oh, fuck.
Holy fuck.
Ah. You meet him before?
Hey, I scored! Hallelujah! What the fuck is that?
Hey, Darren. Darren. Have you met him before? Why are you looking at him?
I think so.
Yeah, just kiss him, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, I thought I heard something, but I thought it was his parents.
Somebody should be keep watch on the line.